What's up, my glamettes? It's your girl Angela, aka Southern Comfort Glam. I'm back again. Back in. Purple. Let me stop. So anyway, I came today to bring you guys this kind of purple smoky eye with kind of like a mystery glitter on top. So another one, a part of my glitter series glam. And I used the James Charles palette. Once again, this palette is so freaking amazing. It has so many different colors. The consistency of this palette is like buttery. It's not really a lot of fallout like from some typical Morphe palettes, like Jaclyn Hill's palette, for instance, her little Vault series. I hated those. Sorry, don't mean to go on a tirade, but I'm just saying. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, how I'm smoky, you guys know what you need to do. You need to stay tuned and keep on watching. guys, so here's the finished look of this smoky purple eye with a touch of mystery glitter. Thanks you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like, share, check out some more of my videos that I have. Again, this is the James Charles Moore palette that I use for this look. Thanks you guys for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.